Ang problema sa panonood ng mga Korean novela ay bukod sa nakukuha niya yung malaking chunk ng oras ko, nai-insecure ako lalo sa itsura ko. I wanted to look like them, thinking na one day I will also find my oppa. Once I was in a relationship, sa early days ng pagsisimula kong manood ng Korean novelas. Nako-compare ko yung partner ko sa mga napapanood ko. At dahil doon lagi kaming nagtatalo. Hanggang sa yung araw-araw naming pag-aaway for the things that he can't do to me. Nauwi kami sa hiwalayan. I wanted to have a life like the ones na napapanood ko. Sa sobrang kakanood ko, I think closer pa ako sa karakter ng mga sinusuportahan ko kesa sa mga tao sa paligid ko. I know I have a problem. Trying to compare a fictional film to my reality. Ako si Audrey and I am so detached to reality. Audrey, if there's one thing I know dito sa situation mo, one good thing is that at least you do acknowledge yung fact na meron kang problem. Kasi my love, we can all live in our fantasies of one day finding someone na parang yung pinapanood natin, kung gaano sila katikas, kung gaano sila ka-loving, kung gaano sila ka-gentleman, kung gaano kaganda yung love story nila na parang, alam mo yun, hinugot from a Korean novela itself. We can all live in a fantasy like that. But kaya nga siya fiction for a reason. Diba? Those are just stories. And the fact na alam mo yun, meron pang pag-asa for you to not change who you are, not change what you like and what makes you happy, but to adjust to your reality. You don't even need to change anything in you. If you love dressing like a Koreana, if you love saying oppa, o diba kung gusto mo yung language nila, kung naging mahilig ka na din sa mga kinakain nila, yung mga bibimbap, yung mga tawag dito, yung mga rice cakes, kung tawagin nila, hindi ko alam yung tawag. Tteokbokki, yon. Kung mahilig ka doon sa mga cuisine nila, wala namang problema doon eh. I mean, a lot of people dito sa Pilipinas are kinda into the Korean cuisine na rin naman. But siguro my love, the only thing that you have to adjust is your expectations of people. What we watch in films, no matter if that is a Korean novela, an American series from Netflix, even nga yung mga Hispanic before na mga pinapanood natin, alam naman natin na there is a limitation to what we see on television and into reality. That those were tailored para, alam nyo yun, para i-capture yung attention ng tao. Those lines, those scenarios, yung backstory ng mga characters doon, tailored fit sila to audience liking. Kung ano yung makaka-capture ng attention natin. And I'm sure you know that. You don't have to change anything in you. You just have to adjust your expectations that people that lives in reality can act the same way as nakikita mo sa mga napapanood mo, my love. One day, a guy will walk into your life that will accept how drawn you are sa mga Korean novela. One day, a guy will walk into your life that will understand yung certain fandom na or pagka-fanatic mo sa Korean na pop culture. Pero, wag kang mag-expect na all the time they will understand you. Again, being in a relationship is a two-way street. In any relationship, that is. Yan man ay romantic relationship, mapa-friends, mapa-family, it's always gonna be give and take. Kung gusto mong intindihin kanila, kung gusto mong unawain kanila, kung gusto mong tanggapin kanila, then you have to do the same thing to the other side. You don't want to feel lonely and detached sa reality, then my love, 'di ba? Parang start reaching across. Or ang dami naman din talaga mga community, my love, that are into K-pops. O diba, kung yan talaga ang bet mo, maraming community na into K-pops, and you can join one of them to develop yourself. O diba, develop mo yung self-esteem mo, develop mo yung pagiging sociable mo. O diba, maraming makakatulong sa'yo, but you have to help yourself as well. You have to start at home. O, diba? Kung talagang nag-enjoy ka watching those films, feeling mo nakakakilig sila, nakakadraw sila ng attention, and hindi naman lahat ng mga Korean novela ay pangkilig lang. Diba? May mga family-oriented Korean novelas din naman. If you want to reach out to your family, o diba, reach out sa mga parents mo, sa mga kapatid mo, try to invite them to watch with you. O, diba? Malay mo, at the end of the day, 3 na kayong nanunood, or isang buong pamilya na kayong nanunood. Who knows? All you have to do is put out an effort for them to understand you. Kasi kung ikaw lang yung mag-enjoy sa sarili mong mundo, sasara mo yung pintuan, and you won't let anyone in because you think they are not as good as yung mga napapanood mo, or they are not good enough in comparison sa mga napapanood mo, then that's on you. You have to give them a chance. They might not be like yung mga taong napapanood mo. They might not be like those characters na iniidolo mo, but they are better than that. They can be better than that. Because those people na napapanood mo, yung pamilya nila doon, yung partners nila doon, yung friends nila doon, stay in the film. Stays there. Pero in reality, you have your own. Someone you can actually touch. Someone you can actually talk to in a language both of you can understand. So my love, it's not bad if heavy ka sa mga ganyang klaseng panunod. Kasi I do binge watch as well. O diba, nag-binge watch din tayo as well. Na-addict din tayo sa mga ganyan na films. But if merong mga tao sa paligid ko that are not as into it as I am, I find my time to enjoy it on my own. Pero I do spend time with them. If I cannot convince them to join me, i-enjoy yung film with me, humahanap ako ng bagay na ma-enjoy namin together without judgment, na malayo siya sa karakter na napapanood ko. You have to stop doing that to yourself. Or else, katulad ng mga villains dyan sa mga napapanood mo, I'm sure there's one in which yung story, yung villain na detached sa mga taong tunay na nagki-care sa kanila, tunay na nagmamahal sa kanila, talagang tunay na nagbibigay sa kanila ng halaga, ends up being alone. So you don't want to be like that villain. So Audrey, I suggest, so 'di ba, mag-reach out ka sa mga tao sa paligid mo. O 'di ba, wag tayong magkulong or magpakulong sa mundo na fictional, sa mundo na only exist in our head. Sa mundo na alam naman nating hindi kailanman magiging realidad. Kasi tayo din yung malulungkot at the end of the day. Tayo din yung magsasuffer. And never ever doubt how you look, or if you are worthy, if you are beautiful, just because you are imperfect or not like yung mga napapanood mo at iniidolo mo. I mean, they have their own definition of beauty. You have yours. Kaya laging-lagi mong iisipin, those, in practicality speaking, those artists, alagang derma yan. O diba, alagang derma yan. I'm sure kahit papaano nagpatangos na ng ilong yan. Yung skin nila, of course, araw-araw siguro o gabi-gabi dinederma yan. On a certain diet yung mga yan. Yung buhok nilang ang gaganda tignan. Syempre, treated yan ng salon. O diba, naka-makeup sila, my love. Nakapustura sila kasi may stylist sila. So, diba, parang kung iisipin mo on a normal day, here in the Philippines, kung hindi naman ikaw celebrity, A-lister, kung parang tayo, mga normal na mamamayan lang tayo, diba, yung itsura nila, the reason as to why it's like that, kasi yun yung bread and butter nila. You have your own. Polish that and you will see how beautiful you are. Claro? Claro.